Wild, I'm not sure that this is a good idea, right?
What's that terrifying cry? It's a monster lurking nearby. Quick, let's do what Wild taught us. I'll dig a hole and cover it with leaves. Dimwitty, you take care of the vines. Poet, you go Smurf a trunk.
Aye, aye, sir.
Oh, to behold such a sight. Nature's beauty in that light. Who Smurfed out the light?
There. A flowery trap is much nicer after all.
Oh, what a fright! You Smurfed out the light!
Ah! The monster! Help!
The monster? We must flee! Vanity, wait for me!
I'll save you. Oh, there you are.
Don't despair, Wild. Papa Smurf always says that life is like... Ouch.
You understand nothing. You hopeless in forest. You total embarrassment. Me had enough. Oh, hey, Wild. Did you see that? We scared the monster and you ran away. Me give up. You never be wood Smurfs.
Oh no, come back! Wild, what are you smurfing? Papa Smurf always says that you should never give up. He won't be happy and you don't want... Don't tell me this is one of your traps.
Stupid students distract me. Me never forget my traps before.
I imagine you have a solution, right? Oh well then, I guess not.
Oh, that's Brady! Quick! Oh, cruel nature, it's a sad ending where the end up is food for a bear.
Oh, it's the big teddy bear.
Dimwitty, no!
Teddy bear. It's me, your friend.
Dimwitty,
Come
no!
give me a hug.
At least it was a diversion, right? Yuck. It really Smurfs in here. He smelled worse than Wild.
Running in fear is only thing they good at.
Over there! It's one of Wild's traps! Get ready to duck on 3! 1, 2, 3!
Don't forget to free us, right?
Okay.
Ouch!
Me was wrong. You teach Wild, never judge someone too fast.
Maybe we could teach you some other things. How would you like to smurf some lessons in the village?
Excellent idea. Because between us, your outfit is a Smurf catastrophe.
I'll smurf you poems from the start, and you will learn them off by heart.
Hey, Wild, you want to be my best friend? He sounds just like the teddy bear.